The bar chart shows the number of hours worked per week by men and women in Australia. Bar chart ko'rsatadi ish soatlarini ishlangan haftasiga erkaklar va ayollar tomonidan Avstraliyada. Demak, foizda berilgan bizda raqamlar va 5 ta kategoriyada ish soatlari 0 dan 10 soatgacha, from 10 to 20 hours, from 30 to 50, and 60 to 80, and over 80 hours per week. So man is going to be this wavy line, this wavy column, and women is going to be this one. Hop, 0 dan 10 gacha, demak ayollarda raqami ko'proq bo'lgan, lekin 30, 50, 60, 80, ya'ni balandroq ish soatlarida erkaklar yetakchilikda olgan. Lekin ikkalasini raqami ham teng bo'lgan ekan, 80 soatdan ko'proq ish vaqtlarida haftasiga. Demak, birinchi o'rinda introduction yozib olish kerak. Hop, introduction. Odatda paraphrase bo'ladi. The report outlines information. Report ma'lumotni beradi regarding the volume of weekly work hours. Haftalik ish soatlarini in 5 categories. 5 ta kategoriyada. Demak, mana 5 ta kategoriya. In percentages. Foizlarda. Foizlarda berilgan by Australian men and women in the bar chart. Avstraliya erkak va ayollar tomonidan bar chartda. Hop, keyingi narsa biz overview yozib olishimiz kerak. No exact numbers, aniq raqamlar berilmaydi. Hop, nimani aytib o'taman? Birinchi, the first two categoryda ayollar yetakchilikda olgan, shuni aytishim kerak. Women higher. Hop, bundan keyinchi, then higher work hours by men was higher for men. Yes. Balandroq ishchi soatlarida erkaklar raqami teng bo'ldi deb aytib o'tib, keyin over 80 da similar bir xil bo'ldi deb aytib o'taman. Mana shu menda endi overview bo'ladi qisqacha qilib aytganda. Hop, generally speaking, umumiy gapirganda, the share of women, ayollarni foizi working up to 20 hours, 20 soatgacha ishlayotgan was much greater than that of men. Erkaklarnikidan ancha balandroq edi. Was much greater than that of While xuddi shu paytda the reverse was true for, teskarisi to'g'ri edi, for men in longer working hours. Ko'proq ishlash soatlarida. When it came to working over 80 hours per week, haftasiga shuncha soat ishlashga kelganda, however, ammo biroq, a similar share was seen among both genders. Ikkala gender o'rtasida ham o'xshash natijalar ko'rildi. In the two lowest bands, eng pastki ikkita darajada, demak, mana bu ikkalasida, from 0 to 10 and 10 to 20 hours per week, the women accounted for the largest proportions. Ayollar eng katta foizlarga tegishli bo'ldi, 15 va 25% respectively, mutanosib holatda. Bu degani 15% 0-10 ga, 25% 10-20 ga tegishli degan. By comparison, solishtirganda, the figures for men were much lower. Erkaklar natijasi ancha pastroq edi. It roughly, taxminan 5% va just over 10%, 10% dan balandroq holatda. Men, erkaklar, however, ammo biroq, dominated the mid-range category of 30 to 50 hours. Ular o'rtacha kategoriyada dominate qilishdi. Where their share rose to about 40%, demak 45%, 45% o'syapti. Compare it with 35 for women. Ayollarga solishtirganda 35%. The difference became more pronounced. Farq yanada ravonlashdi, yanada kattalashdi. In the 60-80 hour bracket. 60-80 soat guruhida. Bracket is a similar word to category, right? Category. Bracket degan category so'zimizga o'xshash so'z bir xil. Xo'p, demak, oradagi farq ancha kengaydi. Mana men made up approximately 30%, erkaklar taxminan 30% qilishdi, while women stood at around 15%. Xuddi shu paytda ayollar 15% turdi. Demak, natijani aytish uchun stood at, undan tashqari made up ishlatilyapti. A gap of about 15 percentage points. Demak, qanchalik oradagi farqni ko'rsatish uchun 15% percentage point gap farq deyapti. I guess here we can also use with a margin of 15 percentage points. Mana shuni ham ishlatib ketsa bo'ladi deb o'ylayman. Oradagi farqni aytish uchun. It's the upper extreme, demak balandroq guruh darajalarida, ya'ni over 80 demoqchiman. The proportion working over 80 hours, demak foizi 80% dan ko'p ishlayotganlardi. Was identical. Identical literally means similar. Demak o'xshash edi for both genders. Ikkala jinslar uchun. At 10%, 10%da. Va menimcha shu bilan bizda tugayapti. Xo'p, adashmasam 170 ta plus words edi. I forgot to count, but I guess it was about 170 words, over 170 words. Menimcha hamma tushunarli bo'ldi.